Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a one-time payment on Credit Acceptance Customer Portal. We will also put links in the description below for extended warranty and cheap car insurance programs. To start, open the website creditacceptance.com. Then click on Account Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper left part of the page. Click on the option that says Make a Payment. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for one-time payment. Click on One-Time Payment. First, add a payment method. You could use either a bank account or a debit card. In this video, we're going to use a card as a payment method. On the fields provided, enter all the required information. After entering, click on Next Step. Now, verify the payment date and amount. Then click on the Review button. Lastly, review the payment details, and read the agreements. After reviewing, click on the tick box. Then click on Pay. That's how you make a one-time payment on Credit Acceptance Customer Portal. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.